Hello and welcome back to my channel, Retro Susie. I'm Susie. Today I have for you a video of a kind of a masculine junk journal that I made for my son Cameron that I took out to Portland to give to him in May when I went out to visit. And I'm recording a voiceover on this first part of the video because when I recorded it, I was not feeling well, and I'm explaining all of that was going on at the time. It's now July, and I didn't want to post it with that audio at the beginning because I'm no longer sick, and I didn't want anybody to be worried about me if I just went ahead and posted it the way that I had recorded the video. So I just wanted to come on and sort of record an introduction of the beginning of this. And it's basically a junk journal that I made from a pattern from 49 Dragonflies. And I will link that video below. I modified it a little bit and changed it up, but I'm going to add some video at the end also that shows it with the little dangle that I put on the side and kind of the when I gave it to him, and he loved it. He was very excited to get it. So I just wanted to come on and record this introduction, and but I did want to get this video up because it is kind of a fun, different kind of a journal. So here we go. I just got some fabric at Joann's. It's just, like suiting fabric. They have a bunch of different kinds, and it's the squishy. We just use a paper bag. Although for this one, I did, because he writes so much, he journals a lot. So I did 6 signatures on this one. And I think I did 8 instead. I usually do 7 7 sheets per. I do between 5 and 7 sheets per signature, and I did 8. You don't want to do, or I don't like to do too many sheets per signature because you start to get issues when you do too many sheets per signature. So you don't really want to do more, or I don't really like to do more than 7 or 8 per signature. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, if you wanted an idea for a more masculine type of book. And then I added this. It's a Tim Holtz. I just sewed on this little, I don't know what it's called. Here, you guys, my mind, I'm just not feeling well at all. I'm living on Theraflu right now. And then I just added like red stitching. It has the same pocket here for extra ephemera. And I ordered some stuff from Temu, so I'm hoping it gets here before I leave, so I can make a dangle. I'm just going to do a simple dangle, and nothing too fancy. No, I'm not going to do ribbons or anything like that. Just wanted to pop this video in here to show you the final dangle that I did. Just wanted to show you when it was finished, just some beads and some charms. Kind of goes along with the fabric. So yeah, that's it. And then I did just a lot of plain papers because, like I said, he likes to write. a lot. I did do a lot of my painted papers. Not a lot, but some of my painted papers. And then I did get the Tim Holtz. Let's see if I can. So it's these backdrops. This one's volume 5. And it's this TH94309. But I like these because they're like colorful. And I used a few of these. And they're cardstock. Wait. Very vintage. And I think there's the ones that I saw at my store, there were 3 different ones at my Joann's. I got this one. And this one, which is volume 4, TH 94308. It has all these kiwis. It's okay. And this one, you know, of course, is more neutral. And I just used a few of these. I already gave you some treats. My goodness. But I hadn't seen those before. Hold on just a moment. But I have a lot of her books. The other side of the, I did the same thing here. Just cut it off and then put the pocket on the other side. Some paper that I put rust on it. Painted paper that I made. Just tea-dyed paper. Same thing. Just cut it on. And I used a lot of plain paper because, like I said, he likes to write. Some book pages and a quote by John Muir. Climb the mountain and get their good tidings. Nature's peace will flow into you as sunshine flows into trees. The winds will blow their own freshness into you, and the storms their energy, while cares will drop off like autumn leaves. And I just love this artist. Adventure things, compass, pocket knife, writing pen or pencil, just a list of adventure things. And because they live in Oregon and they go on adventures, I just wanted to add, you know, things for going on adventures in the woods and stuff like that. some more of the Holtz cardstock. With Freedom Books, Flowers, and the Moon, Who Could Not Be Happy, Oscar Wilde. So I just thought they added a masculine favorite quote. You know, kind of look to things. And then Pacific Northwest, Let the Rain Kiss You, Langston Hughes. Pocket. Oh, sorry, out of frame. But I just tried to old book page, ledger book page. Just try to add some pages that you might find looking at, what are these called? I can't think, you guys. Like when you're on a nature walk. And I did, like I said, add extra signatures because he does old children's book page. Excuse me. But yeah, when I get this part done, I'll add it back in. But I just thought that this, was kind of an idea for those of you that wanted to, if you have any men in your life that like to journal, that are looking for ideas for a more masculine type of journal, that this might give you some ideas for, all I did was the exact same thing. And I will be, when I'm up to it, I'm going to be editing the, this journal. And then I'll add the link to the 49 Dragonflies. I did the exact same thing that she did, except that instead of putting this at the back, I just used it as the cover. This part for the so I just altered it that way, but everything else I kind of basically just did the same. But I just thought, it almost looks like a file folder kind of thing. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for being patient with me. Hopefully I'll be feeling better soon. The other thing I'm taking is elderberry syrup. So yeah, I'm living on elderberry syrup and Theraflu right now and hoping that I get better. But thanks so much for being patient, for giving me the thumbs up, for watching, for subscribing, and for all of your good thoughts and well wishes. And I just appreciate you guys so much, and I hope that you guys are having a good, feeling better than me, and having a good, hope you had a good week, and that you're doing something nice, fun this weekend. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. So until then, so long.